Included with your Ring Video Doorbell Pro is your Ring installation instructions here, as well as an adapter plate. To begin with, we'll open it up and remove the installation hardware box. Included inside that is your Ring Pro Power Kit. To install your Pro Power Kit, you'll want to locate and remove the cover for your chime. And on your chime, you'll see two wires, one labeled front and one labeled trans for transformer. And both wires are labeled on your Pro Power Kit. You'll want to open these connectors, and when they're in the open position, the orange piece will be at a straight 90-degree angle. And then you'll want to remove the wire from your chime labeled front. And putting it into the connector and closing the red flap, or the orange flap. And securing the wire labeled front in the position that we just removed the previous wire from. And doing the same for the wire labeled transformer. Lastly, you want to tuck all pieces out of the way of any moving mechanical parts and out of the way of these two chime pieces so that it doesn't dampen the noise. And lastly, replace the cover. Now, taking your Ring Video Doorbell, you'll want to remove the faceplate included. Now, it does include 3 different faceplates to match the exterior of your home. To remove it, you just press firmly on the center of the device on both sides, and it will just pop right off. Included is a screwdriver and mounting screws, as well as extending wires for the existing wires on the outside of your house. Coming outside, we will remove the existing doorbell. And noticing that these are very short wires, we will use the wire extension kit included. Once those have been securely tucked back in the hole here, we will remove these screws, careful to keep track of them, and placing the screw through the eyelet on the wire, we'll screw it back. Now removing the faceplate once again. Once it's secured, you can remove this protecting film for the lens. And replace the cover. And now it's ready to do the setup from the cell phone. And we'll just go inside and do that. Now once you've created an account, the first device that you set this up on will be designated as the owner device. The one that has all the permissions to change any settings, and the one that can invite others, other devices, to be able to view all of the recordings and get notifications from your Ring device. Now once you've created an account and logged in, you want to come up here and select Setup Device. Now since this is the Ring Pro, we will choose Doorbell, and the one that we have just installed, the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. And it's located at the front door. And we'll want to hit allow on that. And confirm our location. And just confirm that you've turned power on. Now, since this was a mechanical bell that we installed the power kit on, we will choose the mechanical doorbell. Now, coming back outside,
The video doorbell is now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
and once that's done, you'll just press continue. And you see the swirling light on the Ring doorbell, showing that it's in setup mode. Once you've navigated to settings and Wi-Fi, we'll choose the Ring Wi-Fi network and navigate back to the Ring app. And choose your personal Wi-Fi network. And at this point, you'll need to enter the password for your personal Wi-Fi network. Once you're done with that, entering in the password, just press continue. And that completes the setup of our device. Now, at this point, you can enter in the email address of anybody that you would like to grant access to this device to be able to view the recordings or get notifications when somebody rings the doorbell. However, they can't change personal settings like the sensitivity of it, because that is only on the initial device that you set it up on.